Welcome to the next episode in this series of short video tutorials on how to digitize with Singer's Professional Sewwear Deluxe embroidery software, known as PSW Deluxe. My name is Tanya Owens, and I will be your guide through this series. This tutorial focuses on the Geometric Shapes digitizing tools. Geometric shapes are simple digitizing tools that allows you to create a variety of shapes without needing artwork as a guide. You can rotate, resize, cut holes into, change entry and exit points, and stitch angles. There are many options to be creative with these tools. Each geometric shape has the same options for recipes and stitch types as the freeform tool. You can even create unique borders for your monograms. The star and polygon tools come with additional settings in the embroidery settings that allows you to create an almost infinite number of shapes with a variety of customizations. The star tool allows you to customize the number of vertices or points and sharpness. The polygon tool allows you to adjust the number of sides. There are two ways to use the geometric tools. You can use the tools as solid or with a hole. If the hole is disabled, that is unchecked in the embroidery settings, while using the tool, the geometric shape will be filled with stitches or solid. However, if the hole is enabled, the geometric shape will have a hole in its center and it looks like a border or outline.
There are 4 different types of common geometric shapes that can be created easily with different digitizing tools. They are a rectangle, an ellipse, a star, and a polygon. You can make any of these shapes filled in or as outlines. To create one of these shapes, simply click on one of the geometric shape tool icons, then click the drop-down list of fill methods and select how you want the shape to be filled in. To create the shape, left-click and drag the mouse to make the desired shape the desired size. You can change the size of the shape by using the top left or bottom right handles of the wireframe that is drawn around the outside of the shape. You can also rotate the shape by using the handles on the top right and bottom left of the wireframe. Once you have the shape like you want it, right-click and click on Stitch It.
Here are a few examples of what you can do with the star tool. In these examples, I have set the number of vertices to 4 and adjusted the sharpness. By changing the sharpness, the shape has changed. The star to the left has a sharpness of 28, while the star to the right has a sharpness of 62. By just changing one setting, you get 2 unique shapes. Let's look closely at the star tool with the 4 vertices and a sharpness of 28. As you can see, these settings have created a diamond. By selecting a hole setting, the border size of 20, we create a narrow outline. Keeping the same settings, but changing the border to 75 creates a wider frame. In this example, we disabled the hole, kept the vertices at 4, but changed the sharpness to 62. We have the traditional 4-pointed star seen in the nativity scenes. Activating a hole, yet keeping the border size at 20, it resembles the border of the diamond-shaped star. However, changing the border size to 75 creates a miniature hole that is more stylistic. All of these examples are using a normal recipe. In our final example, I changed the stitch type to motif. I played with the stitch angle a bit and the size and distance and managed to fill the entire star. These are but a few examples of what you can do with geometric shapes. You are only limited by your imagination. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. There are additional videos in this series, so please check my channel to view those videos. I have also written an in-depth guide called Digitizing with PSW Deluxe Embroidery Software that contains greater detail than is in these videos. You can purchase this guide from my website at www.tanyaowens.com/PSWDeluxe. That information is also in the description below. Until next time, happy digitizing.